If you're looking for that soap that is going to give you a flawless look, a radiant and a glowing skin, look no further and stay tuned through this video. I'll put you through. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first day you're joining, you are welcome, and you're always coming back, you are welcome. So to mix the black soap, we're going to be using the watermelon, the carrots, the cucumbers, any other fruits. I'll just mention all other fruits in the description box. Make sure to check. So this thing you're seeing up is green double action. That's what they call it in the organic shop, and it's for green things. Then this white one I'm bringing is also the white double action. It's for pimples. Make sure to buy it. It helps in clearing some diseases from the body. Just make sure to put yours when you are. So this one is the Sandalwood. It's for the smoothness and acne in the body, okay, and it's very good for cleansing of the face. You know, I'm showing you the ingredients so that you'll be able to dictate them when you get to the market. This one is a Sandalwood. They say they've already blended it with some other things. They look brown anyway, not exactly like this one. Then the sulfur, we're going to be putting small. This sulfur is for preservations. You know, you're going to put a lot of fresh things, so it's actually for preservation. Then the turmeric, which is very good in cleansing of the skin, and also it has a way of lightening the skin. So Negro pepper is for inflammations and treating of skin conditions. Any kind of skin condition you might have, it will help you treat them. So Cloves has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which will help in treating acne and pimples. So do well to put it. It's very good for the skin. So Nutgrass is richness in fatty acids and vitamins, so it helps to add radiance to the skin and strengthens the hair. It's both good for the skin and the hair. The honey also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which helps also to protect the body against diseases. And also the coconut oil, you're going to be balancing it. This coconut oil is good for both those that have oily skin and those that don't have oil skin. That's why I prefer it to shea butter. And there are some things that I could not get when I was doing those videos, like I told you, like eggs, so many other ingredients, but they are natural though. I'll put them in the description box. Just always make sure to check it out. When you're finished mixing, just cover it up and then wait for like 5 days. Mix your soap and your soap is ready to be used. So ready to be used. If you use the soap for like 1 month, you will see the changes. Your skin will be radiating. You will look like someone that fits very well. So that is that about the soap. Very simple to do and very good. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in my other videos.